I recommend Lea and Perrins. It needs to be on every shelf at home.
Expert reviews.
This is Lea and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. Lea and Perrins is in every professional kitchen, should be in every home cook environment. I grew up with this. Why I like Worcestershire sauce is it gives a really nice accent of robust flavor, a little bit of caramel, a little bit of fish, and very, very subtly, and it just elevates everything. I finish sauces with this. I use this in marinades. I recommend this to the home cook 100%. When growing up and cooking with my mother, this was the only sauce that was in the kitchen, and it really allows the product itself to become more than the product.